Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you will find some links. So it says swing like a pro. So you can click on this link, then come to this page right here and you can check out these recent setups and trades. And if you want to enter and exit with me, then you can join this swing like a pro program. Now coming back to the next one here saying book consultation. So if you want to speak with me, you can book consultation right here. Click on this link and then follow the instructions. And you can always join my free Telegram. So let's start the top and approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMA. So you can see we are still above the EMA in weekly. Then daily is again we are just at the EMA, and in 4 hour we are above the EMA. So price in two higher time frames is above the EMA in 4 hour and weekly. So as per definition, look for longs only after each pullback in 4 hours. So let the pullback happen and then look for longs. That's what you can do. In free analysis, 4 hour is above the EMA, daily is around the EMA, weekly is above the EMA. So as per the definition, you have to look for longs in 4 hour after pullback. But if you want precise entry and exit with me, then join this program, Swing Like a Pro. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.